Now we move on to Payhip and what Payhip is all about. So in order to access my Payhip account, all you have to, I'm trying to put my head in front of that light because it's a pain in the arse, isn't it? I wonder if we can do that a little bit. That might be a little bit better, yeah. So all you have to do for Payhip, if you want to find my Payhip, is go on to www.payhip.com/Ian, I-A-N, and you will come to our Payhip account. Now on Payhip, it's a site where you could sell documents and people can come along and buy it and download it and whatever, and they also do a subscription service. So you can buy a subscription on Payhip for as little as 30 quid a month. Now there are 4 subscriptions that you can go for. One is £30 a month, and that gives you a super wheel spin with the multiplier. And in a minute, I'm going to show you how that works and what the multiplier is all about. Pardon me. So for 30 quid, you get 1 spin of the super wheel per month, and it comes with the multiplier. For 55 quid, you'll get 2 spins of the super wheel per month with the multiplier. And for 95 quid, you get 4 spins of the super wheel per month with the multiplier. And for 150 quid a month, you'll get 150 quid a month comes with, I believe, 7 spins of the wheel with the multiplier. So the other thing that you get by being a Payhip member is you get a permanent joker. Now it doesn't matter what level you're on, whether you're on £30 a month or whether you're on 55 or the 150 or whatever level you're on comes with a permanent joker. And what a joker does is a joker, if you've got a joker, you can win a joker, so you don't have to buy the joker. This is in a sense you're buying the joker, but you don't have to. You can win the joker, it's on the wheel. And if you win a joker, you've got the joker until someone else wins it off you. Someone else lands on it and takes it off you. And while you've got the joker, you can swap. You can swap prizes. So if you win a prize and you think, well, it's a bit naff for me, I don't really want that, you can swap it for something else that you do want. And to see the list of things that you can swap, you just need to go over to ians.tv, www.ians.tv, IANS.tv. Simples. That gives you, the leaderboard is over there, and it also gives you the details on how you can swap, etc. So let's go for the lowest amount on Payhip. The lowest amount is £30 a month, and for £30 a month, you will get 1 spin of the super wheel with the multiplier, plus you will get 30 entries into the Payhip All Members wheel. And if you have the 55 quid a month, you get 60 entries in the Payhip All Members wheel. And if you get the £95 a month, then you'll get 120 entries in the Payhip All Members wheel. And if you do the 150, I can't remember what it is, I think it's 200 entries on the Payhip All Members wheel. Now, if you are a gold member on YouTube and a gold member on Patreon and any level membership, so even the smallest one, £30, on Payhip, and you're on all 3 like that, so you're on gold, and any membership on Payhip, then you will go on to the Payhip, you'll go on the Payhip Platinum Members wheel. You're going to see some of those wheels spinning right now. So without further ado, let's see some of the wheels spinning so you can get an idea of what Payhip is worth. So not only do you get the spins, but you go in the draws, and those draws are, again, each one of those draws is 12 times a month. It's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So let's have a look.
Next we have the Payhip Members wheel, which is a multiplier wheel. So we'll pick the winner first, then their prize and how many times they've won it.
This is the Payhip All Members wheel. So regardless of what level you're on this wheel.
And that's John won. Find out what he's won.
Next we find out what you win. So first we pull a winner, then we find out what you've won, and then we find out how many times you've won it.
That's a sheet of coins.
So John wins a sheet of coins. Now we find out how many
Let's find
sheets.
out how many sheets he's won.
And the multiplier goes a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 10. So you can win any amount between 3 and 10. You can't win less than 3. It's a minimum 3 times. And on this occasion, John wins 5 times. So that's 5 sheets of coins. Oh no, 3. So he wins.
And that's 3 sheets of coins.
3 sheets of coins. If it had been 10, he would have won 10 sheets. And a sheet of coins is 30 coins on a sheet.
Next we have the Payhip Gold members, which is also a multiplier win.
So this is for the gold members. Gold members on
And that's going
Payhip.
to be Lorna Jones.
Gold members on Payhip are 150 quid a month.
See what she's won.
Now we see what she's won.
Oh, this could be very dangerous. That's an £85 membership voucher.
Oh,
Now
imagine
let's
winning
see
that
how many times
10
she's won it.
times. That'd be a good one for 10 times. That'd be 850 quid. How many times is she going to get it?
Or is it going to make to the 5?
And it has. Well done.
And it has. You know, my maths is correct today. That's £425 membership voucher.
Not a bad little win.
Next we have the Payhip Platinum members.
Payhip Platinum members is the one I was talking about, where if you are a gold member on YouTube, a gold member on Patreon, and any membership on Payhip, don't matter if it's the 30 quid a month or the 50 quid a month or the 150 quid a month, any membership on Payhip, if you've got 2 golds and a membership on Payhip, you're on the Platinum wheel.
And that's Richard Robin. Let's find out what Richard's won, and then we'll find out how many times he's won it. That's 15 random coins for Richard. Now let's find out how many times. And that's 3 times. So that's
He's got it 3 times.
45 random coins.
And there you have it. That is how Payhip works. So Payhip is another subscription site, and I've made each one just a little bit different, you know, so it's got its own feature. And the feature on Payhip is that it comes with the multiplier. So you can win anything from 3 times up to a massive 10 times. All good reasons for coming to join us. And if you want to see any of the step-by-step guides, all you've got to do is go to our channel, which is look for me on YouTube, Ian Lambert, or look for the Great British Coin Hunt on YouTube, or just simply type in www.tgbch.tv. T for Tango, G for Golf, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, H for Hotel, tgbch.tv. It may come up with an automated thing that says this isn't safe, but all it is a conduit. It's just a link that takes you straight through to our YouTube channel. So just click yes, and go through. There's nothing harmful there. And it goes through to our YouTube channel. Or you just search for us on YouTube, or search for us on my name or the Great British Coin Hunt. So that's how you join us on Payhip. And as I say, Payhip comes with the multiplier, which makes that a little bit special on its own. So if you've got a gold membership on YouTube, a gold membership on Patreon, and any membership on Payhip, then you can be on the Platinum Members Wheel, which is also a minimum of 3 times your prize, because it comes with a multiplier, and the multiplier has a minimum 3 times, maximum 10 times. So why not come over and join us on there as well, or instead of one of the others? Like I always say, suck it and see. If you suck it, didn't like that taste, don't suck it again. Try it for a month or 2, see how you get on, and if you don't like it, just cancel your membership. That easy. Thanks a lot.